monkey see how Camel moves his neck. His neck is quite long. Okay, monkey-do. Stretch your necks out as far as you can and look around from side to side. Wow, you at home, I can see your long necks. Great.
Mommy.
Yeah, are you being a camel? Wow, good job. Let's see what else we're doing.
And now he's slowly getting up.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Walk around. Good. And now everybody sit. Nice and slow, all the way down. Down to the ground. Okay, now time to get up. One leg at a time. Good. And walk about a bit more. That's great. Well done, everybody. Now,
Mommy.
all together.
Stop walking.
Again.
You're walking.
Make camel hump. Bend forward. Great. Head and neck. Stretch your necks out. All of you know. Now.
Good job.